Mr. Chair, the only time that I learned of the Double J construction was through a staff of mine na recommended me this group to fix my veranda on the fifth floor, Mr. Chair. But when upon learning her name was mentioned by Engineer Bryce, we immediately requested to cancel all contracts with WJ, where I specifically ordered to terminate our office refurbishment project with WJ. And also, that was on September 9, Mr. Chair. And then on September 11, I issued another memo asking for an incident report to all concerned employees, specifically the friend of the Double J Construction, Mina Jose. And on September 18th, I passed an internal policy for gate pass and visitors pass requests na wala po muna kami natanggapin ng mga bisita because of that. Mr. Chair, this representation is willing to submit all the documents. The memo stated dated September 9, memo September 11, memo September 18, and of course the drawing submitted by Ms. Mina Jose for the refurbishment of my veranda on the fifth floor. Also, some contracts we're willing to submit for in this committee, Mr. Chair.